Dear friends, we are trying to understand parabola with the help of certain examples, and we have this example x square. Fourth example is x square is equal to minus 16y. Find the coordinate of the focus. We are asked to find the focus, axis of parabola, the equation of directrix, and the length of the lattice rectum. Now since x square term exists, here parabola is symmetric about y-axis. That is, it will either open upside or downside. But the coefficient is negative, hence it will be opening downside only. So if you compare the equations with the standard form of equations of the parabola, we will get it is of this form. That is x square is equal to negative 4ay. So if you compare the equations, compare the equations with standard form, standard form of standard form of equation of parabola, equation of parabola. This means we are trying to compare this equation, given equation, with the equation of parabola whose vertex is origin and parabola and focus is on any of the coordinate axis. So here if you compare this, you will get it is of the form, it is as x square term exists, as x square term exists, parabola is symmetric about y-axis, symmetric about y-axis, and coefficient is negative, coefficient is negative. So a parabola, parabola opens downwards. So it is of this form. Please note, vertex is at origin, focus is on negative direction of y-axis. Now if you compare the coefficients, comparing coefficients comparing coefficients of y, we have minus 16 is equal to minus 4a. Therefore, a is equal to positive 4. It means point is, as it lies on negative direction of y-axis, we have the point is 0, 4. Therefore, 0, negative 4. Please note, it is negative direction of y-axis. This is positive direction of y-axis. This is negative direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. So we'll get the focus is 0 minus 4. Please note, focus lies on y-axis, hence its x coordinate is 0. Then we are asked to find the equation axis of parabola. Next is axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is y-axis. And equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is, please note, it is a line parallel to x-axis, so it will be y equal to some constant, and since all the points of parabola are equidistant from the focus and the directrix, we get y is equal to 4. So equation of directrix is y equals to 4. And length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a, that is equal to 4 times 4, that is equal to 16 units. Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying 11th grade conic sections and we are studying parabola. We are trying to understand the parabola. In exercise, with the help of certain examples, we are understanding parabola. Exercise 11.2, we have the question. Find the coordinates of the focus, axis of parabola, the equation of the directrix, and the length of lattice rectum. And we are given the equation y square is equal to 10x. Now please note, if you compare the standard equations of the parabola, the equation is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. So please note, since it is of this form y square is equal to 4ax, it is symmetric about x-axis. So this equation matches with y square is equal to 4ax. It means it is its vertex is at origin and focus is on positive direction of x-axis. So you will get something like this. Now let us compare the equations. Here given equation given equation contains or has y square term. Therefore it is symmetric about x-axis. Now let us compare the coefficients. If you compare the coefficients, we will get 4a is equal to 10. It means a is equal to 5 upon 2. So please note, since it is along the positive direction of x-axis, the focus is at 5 upon 2. Its y coordinate will be 0. And according to definition, we know that parabola is a curve which is equidistant from the focus and the directrix. So it means equation of directrix will be x equal to negative 5 upon 2. So x equal to negative 5 upon 2 is the equation of directrix. Let us write the given things. Thus coordinates of focus are 5 upon 2, y coordinate is 0. Then we are asked axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is x-axis. The equation of the directrix we have already written. Equation of directrix is x equals to minus 5 upon 2, that is negative 5 upon 2, and length of the lattice rectum is equal to length of lattice rectum is equal to 4 times a, that is equal to 4 into 5 upon 2, that is equal to 10 units. So these are the answers of the questions asked. Dear friends, we have the next question, sixth question. X square is equal to 9 pi. Now, if you compare the given equation with the standard form of the equations of the parabola, we have already studied standard equations of the parabola, that is all the parabolas having the vertex at the origin. If they are having vertex at the origin, then equation of the parabola facing positive direction of x-axis is y square is equal to 4x. If it is facing negative direction, then it becomes y square is equal to minus 4x. If it is facing positive direction of y-axis, then it is x square is equal to 4ay. And if it is facing negative direction, that is in this direction, then the equation of parabola is x square is equal to minus 4ay. Please note, the given equation is of this form. That is x square, it possesses x square. It means it is symmetric about y-axis. Therefore, the given equation has x square term. Hence, parabola is symmetric about y-axis. Now, since the coefficient is negative, as coefficient of y is negative, parabola opens downward. Parabola opens downwards. It means it opens towards negative direction of y-axis, that is opening towards negative direction of negative direction of y-axis. Now therefore equation is comparing with, we can get comparing with standard equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to minus 4ay, we have minus 4a is equal to minus 9. So it means we will get a is equal to 9 upon 4. Since it is opening towards the negative direction of y-axis, we have equation of parabola as, or we have the focus at vertex is at origin, because we are studying the equations of standard form. So here vertex is at 0 0, then focus is at, please note it is on y-axis, so its x coordinate will be 0, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 9 upon 4, please note. So focus is at 0, negative 9 upon 4. Now please try to understand, we have already defined directrix. We have defined the parabola in such a way that all the points on the parabola are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. It means if this distance is negative 9 upon 4, this distance will be positive 9 upon 4. That is, since it is in the positive direction of y-axis. So equation of directrix which is parallel to x-axis is y equals to 9 upon 4. So focus is at negative 9 upon 4. Then we are asked to find equation of axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is y-axis. That is, it is symmetric about y-axis. You can see two equal parts. It is making, y-axis is making two equal parts of the parabola, and length of the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is, I have not written. Equation of directrix is y equals to 9 upon 4. And last point, we are asked to find length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. That is equal to 4 multiplied by a is 9 upon 4. So that is equal to 9 units.